How to make beef noodles. Add salt and pepper to beef. Add a garlic. Add 2 glasses of water. Pressure cook it for half an hour. Keep vegetables ready according to your choice. Boil water and add salt to it. After water is boiled, add your noodles. Boil the noodles for around 10 minutes. Put the noodles for draining. Cut the pressure cooked beef into small stripes. Heat a pan. Add oil and heat. Add the veggies, then the beef. Add Ajinomoto, optional. Finally, add tomato, chili, soya sauces. Fry these in low flame till the veggies are ready. Mix them all well. Serve hot with love. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.